Hi students, now I am going to continue this topic dialogue writing. Now I will read one more dialogue. See here one dialogue between a manager and a clerk. The dialogue between a manager and a clerk. ఇక్కడ సంభాషణ ఎవరి మధ్యన అంటే ఒక మేనేజర్కు క్లర్క్ మధ్యన సంభాషణ. లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. క్లర్క్: Good morning, sir. Manager: Good morning. I see you that you are late to work again. Clerk: Sir, I am sorry, but I had some urgent work at home. Manager: I am getting tired of your excuses. Clerk: Sir, please excuse me. I will be on time from tomorrow. Manager: This is the last warning. You can go to your desk now. Clerk: Thank you, sir. See here, this dialogue, when people interact with in a formal context, this is formal dialogue. This is called, second dialogue is called formal dialogue, formal communication. When people interact in a formal context, as in the classroom, student and teacher, just like student, teacher in the classroom, at a conference or in the office, subordinate and boss. Formal dialogue means here in the office, subordinate and boss between the dialogue. As in the second example given above, the language is more formal. You observe the second example, the language is more formal language. Full sentence are spoken. You will find that full sentence are spoken. The sentence are full. And the rules of grammar are scrupulously followed. Here, in this formal dialogue, the rules of grammar are scrupulously followed, strictly followed, the rules of grammar. Contractions are used only occasionally. People greet each other, discuss something, and take leave of each other with restraint and decorum. Repeated use of formal language is very close to written language. Here, formal language is very close to written language. So, now, let us now consider different types of situations, such as in daily life, we consider different types of situations, such as greeting another person, asking a question, giving a reply, making a request, giving advice, offering a suggestion, offering an apology, and expressing gratitude. And observe how one could use informal and formal language to convey the same thing depending on the level of familiarity between the speakers. Here, now consider different types of situations. Let us see now what are the situations. First, greeting. Here, greeting situation is greeting. How we will say greeting? In formal, informal way greeting. Hi, Neeta, great to see you. Hi, Neeta, what a surprise. Hi, Neeta, how are you? This is informal way. Hi, Neeta, great to see you. Hi, Neeta, what a surprise. Hi, Neeta, how are you? Now, same dialogue, same greeting, formal communication. Good morning, Miss Neeta. It is indeed a pleasure to see you. See, informal, full sentence. Good morning, Miss Neeta. It is indeed a pleasure to see you. Full sentence is given. We strictly follow the grammar. Next, second one. Leave taking or farewell. Leave taking or farewell. How you will see now. Informal way. Bye. See you soon. Great seeing you. Bye. Guess that's all for now. Bye. This is informal way used. Taking leave or farewell. Same thing in formal. Formal communication. I must leave now. Good night, sir. I must leave now. Good night, sir. It was a pleasure to have met you. Good day. It was a pleasure to have met you. Good day. This is formal way. Formal way is used full sentences. Informal way used in full sentences. In informal, not full sentences. Next one, asking a question. Now we will see asking a question. Informal way, we will see now. Hey, quick question. Where is Timbuktu? Hey, quick question. Where is Timbuktu? Hi, Renu? No. Where Timbuktu is? Hi, Renu? No, where Timbuktu is? This is informal way, asking question. Now same thing in formal. We'll see formal way. Renuka, can you please tell me where Timbuktu is? See the full sentence. Renuka, can you please tell me where Timbuktu is? Or Renuka, I am sorry to bother you, but could you tell me where Timbuktu is? This is formal way asking, polite way asking. Formal. I am sorry to bother you, but could you tell me where Timbuktu is? Could you tell me? See the polite one. Now, giving an answer. Here, giving an answer. See now in informal way, giving an answer. We will see now informal way. How the heck would I know? How the heck would I know? Don't you know? Don't care? No idea? Mali, West Africa. This is the answer for above question. See here, informal way, not full sentence. How the heck would I know? Don't know, don't care, no idea. Mali, West Africa. This is the above question answer. Same answer, formal way. We will see now formal way. I am sorry, Meena, but I don't know the answer. See here, full sentence. I am sorry, Meena, but I don't know the answer. Timbuktu is a city in Mali, West Africa. Full answer is given. In formal way, full sentence is used. Timbuktu is a city in Mali, West Africa. So this is the way we use giving an answer, asking a question, leave taking, farewell or greeting. Next one, making a request, we will see now. Making a request, we will see now. Informal way, making a request. Informal way. Hey, give me your book for a day. Mohan, lend me your book for a day. See here, informal way. Hey, give me your book for a day. Mohan, lend me your book for a day. This is informal way. But in same thing in formal, we'll see formal way. Mohan, please lend me your book for a day. Mohan, please lend me your book for a day. I would be obliged if you could lend me your book for a day. I would be obliged if you could lend me your book for a day. See here, full sentence is given. Mohan, would you be kind enough to lend me your book for a day? Same thing, we are asking like this. We spoke like this. Mohan, would you be kind enough to lend me your book for a day? Next one, making a suggestion, we will see. Making a suggestion, we will see. Informal way. Coming for a walk, let us go for a walk. This is informal way. Making a suggestion. Same thing in formal way, we will see. I think it would be nice if we could go for a walk. This is formal way. I think it would be nice if we could go for a walk. We can consider going for a walk. Simple language is used. No difficult words. These are spoken English. This is. Giving advice. See here. Giving advice. Informal way. Giving advice is informal. We will see now. Giving advice, we use informal language. Write neatly. You nitwit. Improve your writing. Uma. Write neatly. You nitwit. Or improve your handwriting. Uma. Same matter. Formal. Uma, I advise you to improve your writing. I advise you to improve your writing. It would be nice if you could improve your writing, Uma. It would be nice if you could improve your writing, Uma. Here, next one. Offering an apology. See here, offering an apology. See here, kshamarpana cheppadam. Informal way. Sorry, it broken. Awfully sorry, I broke the plate. Same thing, formal way. I apologize for breaking the plate. This is a formal way. Full sentence. I apologize for breaking the plate. I am extremely sorry for having broken the plate. I am extremely sorry for having broken the plate. Expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude. Now we will see. Informal way. Thanks Partha for the pen. This is informal way. Thanks Partha for the pen. Expressing gratitude. Krutajnata telapadam. Same thing. Formal way. Thank you so much for the pen. Same gratitude. Thank you so much for the pen. It was indeed nice of you, Parthasarathi, to have given me the pen. See here, full sentence. It was indeed nice of you, Parthasarathi, to have given me the pen. So, these are some clues for dialogue writing. Next we will continue this topic, next video. Thank you.